Good day, learners, candidates, teachers, and everyone. Welcome to another episode of Sequence and Series, Grade 12. Let's have a look at our first series in Grade 12, which is arithmetic series. We're just gonna have a look at the critical things that you need to know. Okay, in arithmetic sequence, these are the following things that you need to know if you are in grade 10, 11, and 12. So in arithmetic sequence, the first thing to know, you need to know how to get the general formula, which is defined by Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 d, where in this case d refers to the common. This refers to the common difference between the terms. Common difference between the terms. This refers to the common difference, and then A refers to the first term in that sequence or in that series. This refers to the first term. And then the other thing that we need to know how to calculate the sum of arithmetic sequence. This you would know by Sn divided by 2 in close brackets 2a, which is a is our first term, plus n minus 1d, close brackets. This formula you would use it to calculate what? The sum of the sequence. This is what you use to calculate the sum of the sequence. Basically, all in all, this is the only things that you need to know. If you know this, you know arithmetic sequence. Sometimes this is known, arithmetic sequence is also known as linear. They also refer to it as linear sequence. I think we're equipped enough. You would know this formula. You're going to use it to find the general formula for that sequence, and the other one you use it to find the sum. So since we're here, I think the best way to explain mathematics is through example. So let's go ahead and do the first example. Example says, consider the following: 7, 3 minus 1 and minus 5. And then the first question said, find the nth term. And then second one, find the 30th term. And then the third one, which term is equal to minus 135. And then finally we need to calculate the sum of the first 50 terms. Okay, now let's go ahead here, and then let's go ahead and do the solutions here. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead. Let's start with number 1. Number 1, it says find the nth term of the sequence. So our sequence here, we just need to write it down. It's 7, 3, and then minus 1, and then minus 5. First thing first that we need to do, we need to find the common difference between the terms here. Common difference between the terms, which is defined by common difference is defined by T3 minus T2, or maybe you can say D is equals to T2 minus T1, which in this case, when we minus T2 minus T1, 3 minus 7 gives us minus 4. And then minus 1 minus 3 gives us minus 4. Minus 5 into minus 1, this will give us minus 4. Okay, so therefore we managed to find our D. Our D is going to be minus 4. Okay, that's all right. Therefore, our A, which is our first term, it's 7. Therefore, we can come to our equation and substitute Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, so our first term is 7 plus n. We don't substitute n now because we're looking for the general equation. Therefore, D is going to be minus 4. 7 minus 4n plus 4. Okay, Therefore, the answer here, Tn is going to be equals to minus 4n plus 11. Okay, great. Now this is the general equation for our series here. Okay, now let's move to the next page. Find the 30th term of the sequence. Now we're going to come here and say number 2. Come here, number 2, find the 30th term. Since we've got the general equation of Tn, it's equals to minus 4n plus 11. We need to find the 30th term. So our n is going to be equals to 30. Therefore, you're just going to have to substitute 30 in the space of n minus 4 multiplied by 30 plus 11. Therefore, you put that in your calculator. This one would give you negative 109. Please let me know if you get the same answer, and you can give us a comment on our comment section in case maybe we made a mistake somewhere. All right. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 3. If you can remember there, question number 3 was saying which term is equal to this is a minus here, which term is equals to minus 153. Okay, now let's come here and work on it. Right, question number 3, which term is equals to minus 153. Okay, so therefore it means on our general formula here, general formula of Tn, which is Tn is equals to minus 4 plus 11. So our Tn is equals to negative 153 is going to be equals to minus 4n plus 11. Okay, therefore we just need to solve for n. We take 11, you take minus 4 to that side, take 153 to this side, then you're going to be left with 4n is equals to 164, and then you divide both sides by 4, therefore this gives you n is equals to how much? N will be equals to term number 41. Okay, great stuff. Now we're left with one question, which is question number 4. Question number 4 says calculate the sum. Question number 4 says calculate the sum of first 50 terms. Okay, calculate the sum of first 50 terms. Okay, we all know the formula for the sum for arithmetic sequence is Sn is equals to n divided by 2 close brackets 2a plus in brackets n minus 1d close bracket. We already know our a is equals to 7. Then we know what is our d. Our d is equals to minus 4. Okay, therefore we can just come here and say Sn 50, first 50 terms, we can say 50 divided by 2 close brackets 2 times 7 plus n, which is 50 minus 1 minus 4 close bracket. If you put all of this in your calculator, you should come to minus 4550. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Please stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more maths and physical science content.